Hello lovely people, how you guys doing? How's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, a 39 weeks heavily pregnant woman is cleaning and scrubbing the bathroom while the husband films her instead of helping out. Do you think this act is right? Do you think it's the right thing to do while your heavily pregnant wife is busy cleaning and scrubbing the bathroom and you're there filming her and making jokes out of it? Do you think it's the right thing to do, or is the time for you to help her out? Let me know what your thoughts is down in the comment section. Let's go and watch the video and people's reaction to it, and when we come back we'll talk about it.
In 3 days she'll be 39 weeks. She's on her hands and knees cleaning our shower.
Somebody's got to do it.
Someone's got to do it.
Why are men? I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw that video, I kind of just kept scrolling because I do understand like the nesting period, and no matter what, sometimes if you tell a pregnant woman not to do something, she's gonna do it anyway. The reason I stopped and went back was somebody's gotta do it. Yeah, my man, that means you. Your wife, who is almost 39 weeks pregnant, is on her hands and knees scrubbing the shower, and it doesn't look because it's a nesting behavior. It looks like she's doing that because she has to, because the shower needs to be clean, because the shower that you both use, I presume, is dirty, and you haven't cleaned it. That is a problem. Like, that is the beyond bare minimum for a woman who is 39 weeks pregnant getting ready to give birth to your child. I get it. I know it's not that serious. But at the same time, if he won't clean a shower for you when you're in a very vulnerable state, like, is that bar not already in hell?
I feel like the whole somebody's got to do it is actually code for I know you're not going to do it, but it needs to be done, so I guess it's going to be me. 39 weeks pregnant, everything probably hurts, everything is sore, extremely uncomfortable. But rather than him putting down the phone and picking up the sponge, he'd rather record you because he thinks it's a cute little moment. I hope for her sake this is a random one-off and that he isn't usually this tone deaf. I hope she isn't one of these moms who had just given birth and she's up doing laundry only a few days after having a baby because it needs to be done and she knows that he won't do it. That a few days after giving birth to a baby that she's not up out of the bed that she should be resting in, cooking and cleaning to make sure that the guests can come over to meet the baby because she knows that he won't do it and has to be done. That she's not picking up her own pain medication, that she's not making her own meals. This whole pregnancy is the beginning of her needing your help now more than ever. I hope he's not one of these kind of men that are always asking a woman to give him a list. What needs to be done? What do you see her doing? What good is a list when you have those eyes? Next time, don't film your wife, help your wife. And maybe you can film that. For right now, she laughed it off and said somebody's got to do it. But eventually she's going to get resentful and she's going to get tired if that somebody is always her.
In 3 days she'll be 39 weeks. She's on her hands and knees cleaning our shower.
Somebody's got to do it.
Someone's got to do it.
What did she say?
Somebody's got to do it.
Someone's got to do it.
I don't believe that you're that oblivious. That literally means somebody has to do it, and you ain't. Like, I know you ain't gonna do it, so she gonna do it while she pregnant as hell. Under no way, shape, or form at 39 weeks should she be in that slippery ass shower, scrubbing it, bending up and down. Not only could she pop at any moment, she could literally slip at any moment. And you over here laughing, talking about, oh yeah, somebody got to do. No. That was your sign, if you needed one, which you obviously did, to tell her to go sit her ass down immediately, and you were going to handle the rest of it as you're supposed to do. There's only two things. She's supposed to be doing at the end of her pregnancy: eating and whatever the hell else she want to do, as long as it ain't a slipping hazard. You know, maybe she could go bouncing on a yoga ball or something. If she don't feel like sitting down. But you, I'm disappointed in you.
I don't even know what to say. My single mothers are trying. And it's the fact that they always defend their useless husbands for me. Also, what do you mean you're heavily pregnant and you're bending down and scrubbing the bathroom while your husband is there videoing and kicking you like an idiot that doesn't have common sense? I feel like your husband belongs to that league of people that when they get married, they do weaponized and incompetence so that you don't get them to do any shows. And I won't be surprised if this woman does all the shows. If they already have children, she's doing the childcare and she's also going to work. So the man contributes absolutely nothing. I won't be surprised because there are a lot of them working society. You see some men with children. They have never changed the diaper in their life. You have children, you've never changed the diaper in your life. Now they're crazy, so leave off the comment section. Oh, that's embarrassing for him, definitely. And the fact that they posted it online and she was also defending him. Anyway, it's a match made in heaven. She wants to be walking like a Jackie, like suffering like a Jackie. Why just man sit down there and crosses his leg like the king he is? Nobody makes married look more undesirable than married people. Where's the lie? Lady, save your prayer. She's just going to defend him. She already defended him now. Someone's got to do it. Means you, bro. You got to do it. Like the way he's laughing over it. I wonder when women get married, they start looking older than their age. When you compare a woman that is single of the same age range with the woman that is married, the woman that is married will look older, far older than the woman that is single. Because all the stress is on her head. She goes to work, she cooks, she cleans, she does all the childcare, she does all the chores. And she still contributes financially into the household. Why the husband, the only thing he does is to go to work. And if care is not taking, he doesn't even contribute anything. Even the money itself, he's not contributing. He's probably doing 50-50. Sometimes the man might even be paying lesser. Another my single mom. Like, single mom are better than my single mom. Because single mom, they don't have to worry about taking care of another child that is in the form of their husband that is older than them. They don't have to worry about taking care of children that are below 18. They don't have to worry about taking care of a man that is supposed to be married to them and be a partner to them. Those shoes cannot be good for her or the baby. Where's the girl with the list? Because men can hire a housekeeper, so his wife and child doesn't breathe in chemicals. Yeah, list. She replies to comment saying he should help agreeing. But then replies to comment criticizing his behavior, saying it's not a big deal. Which is it, Shamu? All I said was he didn't get my sarcasm. Even if you offered to help, I would have wanted to do it myself. I would rather keep myself busy and clean before the baby comes than sit around anyway. Bestie, you prefer to do it because his weaponized incompetence works. Like, he has taught you, he has trained you like a dog to behave like and do the chores. Anyway, that's your. Oh, my husband does this right now because he doesn't want us around the chemicals. Your husband should be doing the same because you might soon have common sense. This one, common sense seems like they are far away. Like sense is chasing after him and he's running faster. And he also has a cheerleader that's making him run faster. Cheerleader is sharing him to run faster and also praising him when and defending him when he gets criticized. So he will continue to be running faster than the sense. Thank God this is your son that is record. Thank God my husband will be doing this kind of work at her home to pray because she's right. Someone has to do it, and it shouldn't be the 39-week pregnant woman. Definitely. Him saying someone got to do it back and then giggling. Like, his voice in the video annoyed me. I'm so pained that he's not ignore me physically. Because when he batty will reset, that's his brain. Anyway, what do you guys think?
Good evening, guys. Welcome to episode 732 of Reasons I Will Be Staying Single Until I Pass Away. Imagine being heavily pregnant and this is what your husband does.
3 days, she'll be 39 weeks. She's on her hands and knees cleaning our shower.
As a male, how are you not embarrassed? Well, how is she not embarrassed? It's no wonder women call marriage a humiliation ritual. I can't think of any other word to describe this. It is one thing being heavily pregnant with a useless male as your partner, but then to record and post your wife doing that, don't piss me off. And then she says this.
Somebody's gotta do it.
Someone gotta do it.
She is telling you to don't piss. Then he has the audacity to say someone's got to just like repeat after her and then laugh. What is funny? What is so funny? I genuinely can't tell if he's being dumb or cruel. Like, they know they're being useless. They know they're not helping. They know they're making your life harder. And they get off on that. They like seeing you struggle. They like seeing you stressed out. They enjoy you being miserable. Not to mention, he is showing exactly the type of father he's going to be when you give birth. I'm using the term father very loosely here. Like, congrats, you're now a married single mom to 2, I guess.
So guys, what do you think? Do you think this is weaponized incompetence or they are just filming content for social media? Let me know down in the comment section. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.